Okay, the music box stopped. This cat doll has gotten so many likes on Facebook, Instagram. I decided to do a full details video. I got her at Goodwill. They only charged me $21.99. It's a Betty Jane Carter doll by Goebel. And it's an original limited edition musical porcelain doll by Betty Ball, 1995. She's a beautiful little kitty cat. Her hat is removable. She does have ears under there. I don't want to take her clothes off. She's got little pearls on the side. And they're actually cat paws. You got the little paw pads on there. And I cannot believe I found her for only $21.99. Everything down to the last little detail. Now, this little kitty cat came with her. I don't know if it did come as a set. I haven't been able to find many pictures of her. The only picture I found, they're basically just showing off the little black bows on the slip. And I might do another video on her if I find out more information, but I do know that Betty Jane Carter did a lot of these cat dolls, and she did Halloween, Christmas, and a lot of other beautiful dolls. And I just happened to find this little one at Goodwill. Lucky me. And she is in perfect condition. There is nothing wrong with her. I could not find a chip on her anywhere. All right, everybody. Have a good night.